Hello, this is Dominique. I'm doing another making the VOD video here for this Kevin Sayer Bushell. This is, I mean, it looks fine as it is, honestly, but there's just one minor thing that we need to address, and that is the text for the name. So let's duplicate this layer over here into my VOD template. Mine's called new VOD template. Yours probably is not. But anyway, I'm just going to duplicate it over here. And so let's see. Let's get it behind that ribbon and drop it. Not there. Oopsie. If you hear any stuff going on behind me, that's probably my children. So sorry about that. Nope. No Microsoft Word. Get out of here. Alright, cool. Alright, so now one of the things that we need to do is make sure that we don't use middle names. So this person's name was, let's double check, I forgot, Kevin Bushell. Alright, so I'll just go in here, select all, Kevin Bushell. And that's that. Once you do that, this thing is good to go. Yeah, I mean, you know, it was a good job. It's just a very minor fix. Actually, the reason that we don't put middle names is because they take up too much space. So we only do first and last name, and that's it. So thanks. Bye.